How to achieve full coverage fast makeup. Let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. Yes, so a quick one. I want to show you shortcut how to do quick fast makeup full coverage. Yes, please just focus. What we are doing now, first we are cleaning the face. Don't ever make up on a dirty face. Make sure you clean the face. And the next thing, you spray the face with setting spray or primer spray. Okay, my people, I'm going to try my best to be fast to explain. But in case you need more explanation, come to my live stream. There we do more explanation. Okay, my people, the next thing now is I apply primer cream. Please don't be in a rush. I want to tell you one secret concerning makeup. What is makeup? Yes, makeup. What is makeup? If you want to do makeup, you don't need to stay there 2 hours. So what I'm applying now, sorry, I'm just trying to introduce the product as well along with the explanation. I just apply brows timer to give us that natural brows. And the thing I apply before the brows timer is sweat and oil block. So now I am applying foundation. Let me quickly do say everything at a time. Okay, my people, if you want to do fast makeup, quick makeup, any fast makeup, but your target, the area, the zone you must target is first, you must primer your face, because that one is what will make your face to stay good. Your makeup stay good for throughout the day. All those preparation I prepared the face, that first stage is very important, even though you're in a hurry. And look for the foundation of your shade. Apply the foundation. Always use 2 colors. You can see this color I'm using now is brighter than the color as shade. Because when you're in a hurry, even though you're not in a hurry, it's always advisable to use 2 shades. One color will be brighter and the other color will be the color of her shade. The first one I used before is her shade. The one I'm using now is lighter than her color. Okay, my people. Your main focus will be you cover up the face after you primer the face. Then you make sure don't use too much product. Don't use too much product. That thing I just apply is concealer. Use concealer. Just use little bit of concealer. You see the way I use it, very small. And now we are going to matte the face, matte the area where we concealer. Matte it with press powder. That is our press powder. All these products I just said there in case you want buy. Now you focus on the nose area. You know, there are some parts in face you must not neglect. Like the nose area, you must use darker color. Like your press powder, use the darker color to shaping the nose so that for you to have that small nose. Okay, now I'm just setting up the whole face with our color. With our color, you set up the whole face. Now I'm drawing the brows. Draw the brows. Make sure if you want to know all these explanation, how to draw brow, how to do eyeshadow, how to contour, how to do perfect listing, how to do perfect eyebrow with chronic explanation, my people, in case you are watching me for the first time, I have 2 YouTube which I do more explanation because I'm always on live stream there. I have more time to explain when I'm doing live stream. Yes, come to my new YouTube. The name of the new YouTube is Deck Beauty Live because we are doing live stream there. The same thing, Facebook, I have 2. One is Deck Beauty. The other one is Deck Beauty Live. I always do live on Facebook on my Deck Beauty live stream. Okay, what I'm using now, my people, because I'm in a hurry, I just try to explain, but I can't still do everything, the explanation, because no time. I just use concealer to highlight the brows. And if you want to do brows, make sure you use dark brown pencil. So then I carry my press powder again to make sure, you know, anytime you use concealer, you cannot just leave that area like that. Then you must use press powder to press it down. That is why it's called press powder. You press and down. Okay, my people, see what I'm doing now. I just apply dark brown eyeshadow in that zone. For example, it's my face. I will stop here because I don't like color to be on my eyeshadow, so I don't like loud makeup. But if you like loud makeup, see what I'm going to do now. And now just see the way I'm going to apply. What I'm doing now, I want to apply gold in that zone. In case you like loud makeup, first you use dark brown all over your eye, your up bob area, the zone. Then the middle, you will now apply gold, because gold goes with all outfit, any type of outfit, English outfit, native outfit, use gold at the middle. But in case you don't want gold, you see that dark brown I used before, you are okay like that. Then she already have a eyelash, she already fits her eyelash. So right now I just applied the eyeliner on top this thing. So my people, not be my fault, I did try to rush because this video I speed down. This fast makeup, the original one was done 20 minutes. We put timer to time it. She asked me, auntie, I don't like too much, I don't want to spend too much time, because they just came to visit us. They are she's my husband cousin daughter, beautiful model. So I said, let's do some tutorial. She said okay, but she don't want to waste, she don't want to sit down and be doing makeup that will be there. Oh, so I said, don't worry, let's do 20 minutes makeup. She said, really? She now put time. I was on my time. She said, auntie, I'm going to time you. Okay, my people, the original one is 20 minutes. I just speed the video. That is the reason you can see the way I'm just fast. So we are almost done. As you can see, she's so everything is well done. So this look, you can use it when you are going to anywhere. That is how to do it. So now I'm using Intio to do the waterline. You do the waterline. I put some little blush. I was so in a hurry. This makeup was done, the original one, without me speeding it, was 20 minutes. Then after I do her makeup and I do her gele, that was the first day she wear gele. This is the final. It's not too loud, it's not too natural. That is it, my people. Make sure leave your comment down below if I try. But for more explanation, I invite you to come to my live stream. The name of my YouTube channel is down below. Bye bye. See you on my next video. Ciao.
That baby. What's up?
Don't you the crafty producer?
Woo, sha. Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we've got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we've got that beauty right. Yeah. Don't give it that touch, don't give it that